softly, light and slight. Humpty Dumpty started to sway, laughing loudly while he played. A little bird began to sing, flapping gently with its wings. Humpty Dumpty lost his grip, slipped and flipped with a funny dip. Down he tumbled with a shout, "Oh my goodness, help me out!" All the children ran so fast, trying hard to reach him last. They called the king's horses, called the men. Humpty needs our help again. King's men came with tools and glue. "Don't worry, Humpty, we'll fix you." They patched him up from top to toe. Humpty smiled with a happy glow. Humpty Dumpty stood up tall, learned a lesson from the fall. "I'll climb slowly, not too high. Safety first," he said with pride. Now he dances on the ground. Children cheer and jump around. Humpty waves to everyone, smiling bright in the morning sun. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. They giggled and wiggled and shook their head. One little monkey flipped and said, "Oops, I slipped and fell off the bed." Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four little monkeys bouncing high and low, dancing on the pillow like a funny little show. One tumbled down with the whoa, 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 and landed on the carpet below. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Please keep the monkeys safe in bed." Three little monkeys having lots of fun, spinning in circles one by one. One lost balance and started to run, then slipped off. "Oh no, I'm done." Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Monkeys need rest, go to bed." Two little monkeys jumping side by side, laughing so much they could hardly hide. One jumped too far in a giant stride, fell off the bed and cried, "Ouch, my pride!" Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Stop this monkey bedtime ride." One little monkey still jumping around, making silly faces, acting like a clown. He twirled and whirled and tumbled down, falling softly with a funny sound. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Send that monkey straight to bed." No little monkeys jumping on the bed. They're all tucked in with pillows under their head. Mama gave hugs and softly said, "Sweet dreams, monkeys, sleep in your bed." The monkeys smiled and quietly said, "Good night, Mama," and drifted to bed.
Clap, clap, hooray, you did it today. Smiles all around, hip, hip, hooray. Hands in the air, jump up high, wave goodbye and say
jump in place gently.